going to Hi everyone. Today I'm going to try and build a playwright framework from scratch. I'm just trying to refresh on things that I've learned before. This is just to share my knowledge with everyone and give some perspective on how we can go about it. So let's go. So this is the prompt that I'm writing using Cloud Code, and says that we want to build an automation framework from scratch using Playwright, and please help me with step-by-step guidance. So I will ask Lot to help me with setting up a new Playwright project, help me with creating project structure, and also help me write my first test case. So let's go. Let's see how it goes. Meanwhile, I will just move to a different directory and let's see what has Github got for us. Okay, gives us some commands that we try and run. First is to just create a directory, just like this, just like this. And we create a directory. We will just navigate to the directory and we just say this command will help us initialize a new npm project and then just to make sure we will do the same thing so we created this. Open back, launch it again, we'll close this one. Okay. I think our previous chat got uh, lost, so let me again try and get the same prompt. These are the kind of hiccups that we face when we try and build project from scratch. So that hopefully it will give us similar. Let's say do you want to allow? I have already done this, so I will say no. Simply let's start from step two. Three and initialized the NPM project. Let's let's wait after that. Let's see how look at my players running. Save that running into implement playwright test and just quiet. I'll say okay, let's do that. You can see that the node modules directory has been created and the test directory as well. We also have a playwright config here. It will also do some browser installations along with playwright if I'm not wrong, if I record this correctly. Create some sample spec. Next, uh, meanwhile, update, and we will go to the config. See that it's showing where the test directories are, whether we want to run test it in parallel, are we working in a CI environment, do we want retries, number of worker process. This I'm not sure about, but we'll read about it. Okay, and then the different HTML. Okay, here it is telling us which kind of reports it's going to generate. Then there's some base URL settings, and here is where we decide browsers from which we want to run our test cases. You also have an option to choose okay, there's some update here. Signing into the account. Okay. What I was talking about here is that we can also give mobile inputs. Then we have local text server as well. So it's pretty decent. It also has this library called as .env, which can be used to provide different input data. Close this and let's see what it has come out with. Playwright is installed successfully. There is running a command to generate these three directories, pages, utils, and object. I will say yes to that. We will discuss in the first further videos why we created the directory pages and utils. So reading the system config, an example test to understand what Playwright has created. And it's maybe now helping us write the test case. Allow Playwright config update. Okay, I'll do it. I'll just say yes for now. And I will just quickly review what exactly we did there. Okay, I think it's very similar to the TypeScript config that was default generated by Playwright. So nothing there to see here. And here it says that it has written the Google search.spec. So a test is also called as spec in Playwright. So we are just going to say, yeah, please go ahead and update the spec. Tests. Okay, this is where it is creating. It says it's creating a simple page object for Google. So page objects allow us to organize our code in a manner which is easier to reuse. So on a very high level, it is just uh, putting all the elements that you see on the page in a single page object. And now it is saying that it is going to search with more that is page object model. So it has created two test columns. One is a simple one without page object model and one is with a page object model. And it is also creating a helper file and it is also creating a test config. Creating a files for JSON. It has created various commands in our package.json which will allow us to run the test um, in different ways. I will say yes to that. So you get it. Creating different npm commands for us to run the test. It's now looking at the folder structure. We have the typical files that we have in any project. It is remove default created files by Playwright. Now it's checking whether we are able to run the test that we created. Let's see how it goes. So I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but I have seen a Chrome window that has been opened where our tests are running.